Hello beautiful people, today we're gonna make a special breakfast sandwich just for you. Alright my friends, today we're gonna make a special bacon, egg and cheese on a French toast. And now we're going to add some sausage. I want to put some oil in here like this. Always don't be cheap on the butter. Put the eggs. Now I'm going to try my sandwich, which I already tried, and it's so delicious, very good. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and you learn something from me. I'll see you next time.